Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login error in the Scotiabank mobile app, here's how to fix it. First, go ahead and double check your username and password. Make sure the caps lock is and there are no typing mistakes. Then, if you recently changed your password, make sure you're using the new one and not the old password. Now, go ahead and check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, then make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. If the error continues, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and then swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds and then reopen it. Then try logging in again. You can also reset your password using the forgot password option on the login screen. If none work, update the app. Go to the app store, search for the Scotiabank and update it. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. After this, the login error should be resolved, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.